Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. And this video is all about Surya Namaskara with Parivrata Parshvakonasana. So, observe the screen and come to Tarasana. Roll back your shoulders, spine straight, head straight. Now, join your palms at your heart center. Inhale, close your eyes. Exhale and chant. Om Suryaya Namaha. Inhale, Hastottanasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, right foot far back, Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, make Namaskara Mudra and twist towards that side of the foot which is at the front. So in my case, my left foot is in the front, so that's why I have twisted my torso towards the left side and I have tucked my right elbow on to my left outer side of the left thigh, and your forearm should be perpendicular to the mat and look towards the ceiling. Exhale, and this posture is known as Parshvakonasana, Parivrata Parshvakonasana. Inhale, Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, tuck your back toe, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Falakasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Asana. Inhale, Bhujanga Asana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, right foot in the front, Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, make Namaskara Mudra and twist towards the right side. Exhale, Parivrata Parshvakonasana. Inhale, Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, tuck your back toe, take it to the front and come to Padhastasana. Inhale, Hastottanasana. And exhale, Namaste. Inhale, Hastottanasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, left foot far back, Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, Parivrata Parshvakonasana towards your twist towards the right side. Inhale, Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Falakasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Asana. Inhale, Bhujanga Asana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, left foot forward, Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, Parivrata Parshvakonasana. Twist towards the left side. Inhale, Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, Hastottanasana. Exhale, Namaste. With this, I have done one set of Surya Namaskar.